Hi, my name is Simon, and in this video, I'll cover off one of the ways that you can track time in Roll. In Roll, there are lots of different ways that you can track time, and it doesn't matter which method you use because they're all connected. In this tutorial, I'll cover off the timesheet method. The timesheet is really handy for when you want to make multiple time logs in one go, either for a single project or for lots of different projects. To access the timesheet, go to the General Time tab, My Timesheet, and add your project by clicking Add Time. You can search for your project either by company or project name. So in this case, it's going to be the McDonald's web design project. There it is. Add a note so you know what you did, what you spent your time on. Select your charge out rate. And the final step is to enter in the number of hours worked on each day. So in this case, let's say we did an hour on Monday and an hour on Tuesday on consultation work. And you're done. It's really, really simple. Now, before I end this video, I'll share with you one hot tip of how you can quickly add projects from the previous week. So if I just delete this project here to start anew, I've got an option to import projects from last week. And as promised, what this is going to do is it's going to suck in all of the projects that had any kind of time log last week into the current week. And that should help save you a ton of time.